Hello friends. So in today's video we will see how we can make a wall hanging. So let's quickly check what all we need for that. We need a glue gun, scissor, any sharp blade, foam sheet, a cutout. So I will make today for the wall hanging, and a cardboard. So if you could see, it's quite thick cardboard. So on this cardboard, with the help of stencil, I will draw and then I will cut it out. So on cardboard I've cut it. So now this is the shape I'm going to make. We will use foam sheet. Take the foam sheet and we need to just put it like this and mark it with the help of pen. So we will use this side, that's why it has to be like upside down. We can't mark like this. Okay, so just place it upside down and mark it. So now with the help of scissor I've cut it and I will paste it on my cardboard with the help of glue gun. So you could use Fevicol also, but if you use Fevicol on the cardboard, so right now it's flat, so if you use Fevicol it will bend like this, so it won't be in shape. So it's better you don't use Fevicol, you use the glue gun, but still completely your choice whether you want to use Fevicol or glue gun. So now with the help of glue gun I will paste it completely. So now if you could see, it's finished. See how quickly it was made. And you could paste magnet strip over here and you could make it fridge magnet also, or just like this you could paste onto the wall. Completely your choice. I just hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to click the like button. Thank you.